Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Imagine a cascade of vibrant sapphire blue blooms brightening your garden from dawn to dusk. That's the magic of Lobelia Sapphire. Mixed ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the enchanting world of Lobelia Sapphire Mix, a flowering treasure that turns ordinary garden spaces into vibrant, eye-catching displays. This plant is as charming as it is versatile, perfect for borders, containers, hanging baskets, and even small window boxes. Its intense sapphire blue blossoms, sometimes streaked with delicate whites and purples, attract pollinators like bees and butterflies while filling your garden with life and movement. But like any treasure, it thrives best when given the right care, love, and attention. To grow Lobelia Sapphire Mix successfully, understanding its light and temperature needs is crucial. This plant adores full sun to partial shade, ideally 4 to 6 hours of bright sunlight daily. Morning sunlight is best as it gently warms the blooms without scorching delicate petals. If grown in hot climates, providing some afternoon shade helps prevent wilting and prolongs flowering. Temperature-wise, Lobelia Sapphire Mix enjoys cool to moderate conditions, thriving between 55 to 75 degrees F. It does not tolerate extreme heat or frost well, so seasonal timing and positioning are important to ensure healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Next, consider the watering routine, a cornerstone for healthy roots. This plant prefers evenly moist, well-draining soil. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely, which can stress the roots and reduce blooming. Similarly, avoid waterlogged conditions that invite root rot. The best practice is deep, consistent watering at the base, ideally in the morning, allowing foliage to dry by evening. Mulching lightly can help retain soil moisture while keeping roots cool in warmer weather. For fertilizing and pruning, think of feeding Lobelia Sapphire Mix as giving it a balanced diet. A light, water-soluble fertilizer applied every 2 weeks during the flowering season keeps blooms abundant and leaves vibrant. Deadheading spent flowers regularly encourages continued blooming and prevents the plant from diverting energy into seed production. If the plant starts to grow leggy, gently trim stems to promote fuller, bushier growth. Even the most cared for Lobelia Sapphire Mix can encounter common problems. Aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites may appear, but a gentle spray of water or organic neem oil keeps pests at bay. Powdery mildew or fungal issues can be prevented by ensuring proper spacing for airflow and avoiding overhead watering. Early detection and consistent care make these issues easy to manage without harsh chemicals. Lobelia Sapphire Mix also encourages creativity. Its trailing growth is perfect for hanging baskets where blooms cascade like a sapphire waterfall. While in containers or borders, it creates a dazzling contrast with pink, white, or yellow companion plants. Its compact size, coupled with its long flowering season, makes it a standout in gardens of any scale. Watching butterflies dance from bloom to bloom or bees hover over the vibrant petals is a gentle reminder of how nature responds beautifully when nurtured. Propagation is straightforward, whether by cuttings or seeds. Seeds sown indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost give you a head start. while soft tip cuttings in spring produce strong new plants ready to bloom by early summer. With consistent care, this plant rewards patience with waves of brilliant sapphire blooms that last throughout the growing season. As you care for your Lobelia Sapphire mix, you'll notice more than just visual beauty. There's a calming, almost meditative quality to tending its delicate blooms, a quiet reward for consistent attention and love. Every watering, pinch, or fertilizing session connects you more deeply with your garden, transforming ordinary moments into meaningful rituals. By planting Lobelia Sapphire mix, you invite a garden full of life, color, and harmony. Its brilliance, adaptability, and long flowering season make it a favorite for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. As it thrives under your care, the sapphire blue blooms become a daily reminder that beauty, patience, and attention produce lasting rewards. Whether in a container on your balcony, a border lining your garden, or a hanging basket swaying gently in the breeze, Lobelia Sapphire mix embodies elegance, charm, and enduring color. With proper sunlight, watering, feeding, and a little care, it can transform any space into a lively, vibrant sanctuary. And remember, growing Lobelia Sapphire mix isn't just about flowers. It's about creating moments of joy, calm, and connection with nature. Every bloom reflects your care and becomes part of a living, breathing tapestry of beauty. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.